Welcome to the new episode of EduCare. I am Arya Krishna. Today's video include International Justice Day. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Which day is observed as International Justice Day? July 17. International Justice Day is also known as International Criminal Justice Day. Why is International Justice Day celebrated? To commemorate the historic adoption of the Rome Statute on 17th July 1998. What is the name of the treaty establishing the International Criminal Court? The Rome Statute. When was the International Criminal Court established? 1st July 2002. When was the International Court of Justice was established? 1945. In which year did the Supreme Court of India come into force? 1950, January 28. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? Hague, Netherlands. What year did the Rome Statute enter into force? 2002. Which is the apex court of India? Supreme Court of India. Where is the headquarters of International Criminal Court? Hague, Netherlands. How many judges are there in International Court of Justice? 15. What is the tenure of judges in International Court of Justice? 9 years. What are the official languages of International Court of Justice? English and French. Name the principal organ of the UN. General Assembly, Security Council, International Court of Justice, Economic and Social Council, Secretariat. Who is the custodian of Indian Constitution? Supreme Court of India. What are the crimes within the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court? The crime of genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, the crime of aggression. Which article talks about the establishment of the Supreme Court? Article 124. Which is the headquarters of Supreme Court of India? New Delhi. Where was the first Supreme Court established in India? Calcutta, 1774. Who heads the Supreme Court of India? Chief Justice of India. Who appointed the Chief Justice and judges of Supreme Court? President. Who appointed the Chief Justice and judges of High Court? President. How many judges are there in Supreme Court of India? 34. What is the retirement age of Supreme Court judges? 65 years. What is the retirement age of High Court judges? 62 years. Which article talks about the establishment of the High Court? Article 214. Who is the first Supreme Court Chief Justice of India? Harilal J. Kania. Who is the present Supreme Court Chief Justice of India? N.V. Ramana. Who is the longest serving Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? Y.V. Chandrachud. Who is the first female Supreme Court Judge of India? Fatima Bibi. Who is the first female High Court Chief Justice? Leela Seth. Who is the first female High Court Judge? Anna Chandy. India's first woman advocate? Cornelia Sorabji. India's first female magistrate? Omana Kunyamma. Which is the oldest High Court in India? Calcutta High Court. How many High Courts are there in India? 25 high courts. What is the name of the bench set up in the Supreme Court to deal with the issues related to social justice? Social Justice Bench, which is the 25th High Court in India. Andhra Pradesh High Court 2019, where the first complete women's court was established in India. Malda, West Bengal, which is the name given to the power of the court to decide whether laws made by Parliament are constitutional or not. Judicial Review. Which article of the Indian Constitution refers to the judicial review? Article 13. From which country did India borrow the concept of judicial review? America.